Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'll be installing this carbon fiber door handle covers that I purchased from overseas. This right here is a real carbon fiber. It is not an imitation ABS plastic with a carbon fiber look, but rather the real deal. All right, so let me give you some close-up. The back as well. Alright, so it does come with 3M double-sided tape in the back. Alright, so here is my Honda Accord with the chrome door handle, as you can see right there. I was going to swap this out with a color matching door handle cover from a Honda Pilot, but I decided to go ahead and get the carbon fiber piece instead, because on my vehicle I do have the carbon fiber trim for the back, also the license plate frame, and also I have the carbon fiber up here as well. Now these right here for the front and back for the lower trim piece are carbon fiber hydro dipped. The license plate is a real carbon fiber piece, and soon will be the door handle cover as well. Alright, so if you've been following me on my social media accounts, you'll know that I purchased this from overseas and I got it a couple days ago. The only reason why it took a couple weeks to get here is because of customs. It was held over there in New York for about 2 weeks before it finally got here to California. Alright, the installation is going to be very simple. All I need to do is go ahead and peel back the double-sided tape, and it's just going to go over the stock chrome trim piece. Alright, and the end cap again has double-sided tape in the back, and so go ahead and peel that out and simply attach it to the chrome piece. Alright, so from the back, that's what it looks like. However, if you come all the way up close, there is a slight chrome piece that shows up right there. Not much, but you can definitely see a little bit of right there. Now it might be because of the double-sided tape that's in the front right here, which is pushing this a little bit to the front, and so maybe not even installing double-sided tape in the front might be a better idea, because this is a very snug fit for the front right here. I don't necessarily see a need for a double-sided tape for the front here. In the back, this one, yes, definitely you need double-sided tape to hold this in place, but in here it's not required. But there you go. I'm going to try to remove it and see if I can remove the tape and reinstall it, but I'm not sure if I can remove it without breaking it, so we'll see about that. All right, so here is the driver's side. As you can see, it's a much better fitment on the driver's side compared to the passenger side. You really can't see any chrome piece right there, and I didn't remove the double-sided tape, and it's very hard to remove, so I don't think the double-sided tape is necessary for that main section right there. Now I tried to remove this cover to maybe realign it, and it's pretty much near impossible to remove once that double-sided tape is stuck on without me damaging that door handle. So again, suggestion is don't use the double-sided tape. Now, one of the things that you can go ahead to fix this issue right here is get a black vinyl and actually vinyl wrap this entire end piece right here and cover that chrome piece right here along with it. That way when it closes, all you're gonna see when you open the door is vinyl right here, black color, and also black right here. In the comments below, let me know if you guys like this new carbon fiber door handle, or if you think that I should go back to stock or switch it out to the Honda Pilot door handles, which they come in the same color as your vehicle. The only downside with those is they're like 120 bucks a piece, and so it can get pricey, especially if you have a sedan. But for a coupe, you know, I just need to swap just 2 door handles, and that's it. Alright, so I'll have the information on where you can go ahead and purchase the set for yourself in the video description below, so go check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.